Did the AEM recall work and have a copy of the repair order? Click File a Claim. At the top of the page, it gives you a hyperlink to a form you can mail in. But this video will focus on the online process, so we will continue submitting the claim through the website. Next, fill in your contact information as requested, and check to make sure your vehicle information is correct at the bottom. Select the relevant bubble that applies to you. Then click Next. The next page will ask you to confirm if you owned or leased the vehicle on or before September 14, 2020, and if the vehicle was registered under your name when the AEM recall was done. If the vehicle was registered under your name, enter the date of AEM installation. We would put the completion date that's listed on your repair order versus the drop-off date. The AEM recall will almost always take longer than 3 hours, so check the first box. In this example, we will not claim any transportation costs, but if applicable, please check the relevant boxes. Once all the relevant information is filled out, click Next. On this page, we need to have an electronic copy of the following items so we can upload to complete the claim: driver's license or other government-issued photo ID, repair order of your AEM installation, proof that the vehicle was registered in your name at the time of the AEM repair. In this instance, we'll be using the DMV registration. A signed copy of the individual release form. Click on the link to open up the form. Make sure to read through the 5-page document before signing and dating it at the bottom. Lastly, you will need proof that you owned or leased and registered the vehicle. Some examples may include a bill of sale, a lease agreement, the title of the vehicle, the registration from the time of the purchase or lease, proof of lease payment, and also insurance documentation may suffice as proof of registration. Make sure any document that you do provide shows the date you acquired the vehicle and the date it was registered. For this example, we will be providing the bill of sale and title of the vehicle. When you have all of the required documentation saved onto your device and ready for uploading, you will click the Choose File button. Then select which file to upload. To upload another document, click on Add another file. Then select the next file to upload. Continue this process until all your required documents have been chosen for uploading. After all your documents have been chosen, click the Next button. Next, you will be asked to review your claim information. Scroll through it and check that there aren't any mistakes in the information you provided. When satisfied, you will have to type in your name and the name of the co-owner or lessee if applicable. When ready, click the Submit button to submit your claim. The next page, you should see that your claim has been submitted successfully. Be sure to note down your claim number and also scroll down to the bottom and you'll have the option to print out this page for your records.